Grief and gratitude are kindred souls, each pointing to the beauty of what is transient and given to us by grace. Patricia Campbell Carlson. The season of Lent sometimes brings together these things that seem to be opposites and yet are very intertwined: the bitter and the sweet, grief and gratitude. I felt this very much today as I watched a video on gratitude that was full of beauty and remembering what is important and precious, and to count our blessings, to find time in our busy schedules to be grateful, to notice, to sit with what is most important, what matters, and to remember what is mattering. And then at the same time, later in the day, I was presented with heaviness, grief, these things that are present in the world that seem impossible to fix and that are heartbreaking. And I was reminded this interplay of things that seem so opposing, grief and gratitude. And the grief was a reminder to remember the preciousness of this gift of life, this preciousness of the gift of one another, the preciousness of the sky, the trees, our sacred places, our gardens, our churches, our playgrounds. It is a reminder that the grief and the sadness, the wilderness, the desert, helps to teach us to grow and be strong, points us in the direction of what is most important, what is beautiful. What is not going to last forever. It is this season of Lent, this wilderness and this desert, that brings these two together. That reminds us of emptiness and loss. It teaches us that we can sit with this, that it will be okay, that this too is a gift. Grief and gratitude are kindred souls. If we didn't have so much to be grateful for, we wouldn't have grief. We wouldn't miss the things because they wouldn't be so precious. But these things are so precious that when they're gone, we will grieve. We'll sit in the emptiness, and then it will be bittersweet. Grief and gratitude are kindred souls, each pointing to the beauty of what is transient and given to us by grace.